Hey guys, it's Mr. Golias. As many of you know, I am on a district writing committee as one of the technology coaches for the district. So this is one of the days where they pull me away to write curriculum. So I won't be here today, but everything you need is right here. Again, friendly reminder, we're on our best behavior today. Any names left behind, it's automatic detention. So let's not have to deal with any of that garbage, which we don't need to. So you're just going to do the QOD. You're already watching the subplan. The ITW number 7 is set up for you. Then tomorrow we are doing our artifact time. So if you needed extra time, you got that break. Even if you're done for tomorrow's presentation, and it will be tomorrow, I'll be back tomorrow, you can start moving past that point because we're going to have our next check-in will be about a week and a half away when we do the next check-in. So just a heads up, we continue working on our artifacts. So those are all things you can be working on. So you start with the QOD. Don't forget, we only have one more, which will be probably started tomorrow and finished on Wednesday, and if not, we'll start it on Wednesday. But the ITW will be due this week, so definitely make sure you're getting all of that cleaned up. All the citations, everything should be done. So you work on this one. This is the 7th grade one. The 8th graders, you have different videos, but I do want to call attention. I keep saying this when I grade these. The application questions are going to be the most important. So 7th graders are doing 2 credible websites. 8th graders have 3. That's where I'm going to spend my time when I'm grading this slide. Obviously, I care that you get all the answers done, but just be aware I am placing much more emphasis on the application. So do a great job today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good luck.